Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, we're going to talk about an issue I've personally been having, and I know other people have had this issue as well. It's when you use your Meta glasses, and when you're using them, it'll say no contacts found, or when you're trying to message somebody, it'll say like, hey, what did you want? Who did you want? It sounds like it's confused. And I found a fix or a temporary fix at that, but it's a fix in terms of that you won't have to reset your phone. You won't have to delete everything, because currently I don't know of a complete fix, but this fixes it, and it's easy enough that it makes it pretty easy at the same time. So it won't take up a lot of time, and it'll take literally seconds for you to fix. So again, this is when you're like, hey Meta, send a message to blah, blah, blah. And when you do that, it doesn't know basically what you're talking about. It'll say no contacts found, or it'll say after you choose the person, sometimes it'll say, who do you want? And it keeps repeating that whole thing. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on to your Meta app. So open up your Meta AI app, tap on your glasses in the bottom right, and then tap on the gear in the top right to go into settings, and then go into communication. From here, even if it says connected, you want to disconnect it, and it literally takes a second. So you can choose any of these. So if you're sending the message, trying to send a message from Messenger and it's not working, or from WhatsApp or your phone or a phone call, whatever it is, this will fix all of them. You only have to do it on one of them. So what you're going to do is, again, choose anything you want. I'll choose Messenger. And then from here, I'm going to hit disconnect Messenger. I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to hit connect again next to Messenger. I'm going to go to next. I'm gonna go to connect, and that's it. You're done. At that point, it will work. Now, unfortunately, it seems like it's a temporary fix. Right now, for like the last 2 days or something, I don't know why I'm getting it, but I've been getting that error message. It's a little bit of an annoyance, but I know it's an easy fix at the same time. At least even if it's temporary, it does fix it very quickly. I'm hoping that once I get the 15 update, it'll fix that issue. But for now, that is a good temporary to permanent type fix for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.